So I'm Pete Sveen. I run DIY Projects with Pete, and it's a website and just a resource for people interested in DIY and home improvement. So in my mind, building confidence plays a huge role in a better self-esteem. In my experience, I teach DIY projects, and I've gotten so many emails from kids, family members, from retired people who have found a new activity and a new skill that's really changed them as a person. Younger people say it builds their confidence when they learn how to, say, get into woodworking. And then from there, they continue to advance their skills, they share their projects with other people, and the feedback they've gotten from friends and family, just themselves, has alone built their self-esteem so much and changed them as a person. So DIY projects, what I teach, and just learning new things, I think is so important in growing as a person and in building your confidence. My challenge for you is to try something new, to get out in the shop, to build something with your hands, and to see what change that makes with your life. And I know it's going to be a positive one.